Hello, my lovely friends. Today we will draw my favorite painting, The Lady with an Ermine by Leonardo da Vinci. I really encourage you find this painting in high resolution on internet because the details are amazing. We will paint it in simplified version, but I am sure it will be amazing too. Well, enough talk, let's draw. Draw an oval, add a small rectangle and a big triangle. A simple line like a hand, a small triangle, and simple fingers. Draw a second simple line. Draw a smaller oval near the fingers and something like an eggplant. At the top bow and boldly L. Draw the eyes, nose, mouth, simple hairline front and back. Add a headband, square neckline, and narrow U, the necklace. Well, the rough sketch is ready. Now just reduce its visibility, add a new layer and draw the clean lines on it. And this is my final drawing. You can download it with the rough sketch and color palette from the link below. You can also find the dry media brush set there, which I will use in the video. Thank you very much, guys, if you buy any of these. Your support really encourages me to make more videos. Choose the body color, create a new layer and move it below the line art. Outline the body. The contours must form a closed shape. Choose the selection tool, automatic, invert selection and color the selected space. Create a new layer. Set as multiply, use a clipping mask and paint shadows. My light source is somewhere in the upper left, so I draw most of the shadows on the right. You can duplicate this layer, then merge all layers together. Then choose the smudge tool and gently smudge the overly sharp edges of the shadows. Create a new layer, set multiply, clipping mask and draw the cheeks with pink color. You can add a little pink to the other parts of the body as well. If you like structure in your images, add a new layer, set a screen and draw some lines on the cheeks. Then move to the layer below and color your lips. Create a new layer and draw the eyes. Create a new layer under the eyes, set as multiply, draw shadows around the eyes and adjust the visibility of the layer to your satisfaction. Merge all the layers under the eyes together. Create a new layer above the eyes, draw the outline of the hairline. Select the selection tool, automatic, invert selection and color the selected area. Create a new layer, set as multiply, clipping mask and draw shadows in the hair. Create a new layer, set a screen, clipping mask and add some lights in the hair. Merge all layers into one. Create a new layer and draw a yellow headband. Move to the line art layer, erase the eyebrows under the headband. Above the layer with the headband, add a new one, set multiply, clipping mask and paint the shadows. Merge layers together, then choose the dark red color and draw the outline of the dress. Choose the selection tool, select the area around, invert selection and color the area of the dress. Move layer down under the body. Add a new layer, multiply clipping mask, and draw shadows. Add a new layer, screen, clipping mask, and draw the lights. Merge layers together into one. Create a new layer and draw a blue outline of the cloak. Choose the selection tool, select the area around, invert the selection, and color the cloak area. Add a new layer, set as multiply clipping mask, and draw shadows. You can duplicate this layer and set the visibility. Then merge all layers together. Add a new layer, set the screen, clipping mask, and draw the lights. Merge layers together. Create a new layer and draw the yellow outline of the sleeves. Choose the selection tool, select the area around, invert the selection, and color the sleeve area. Add a new layer, use multiply clipping mask, draw shadows, and then merge the layers into one. And we are going to draw an ermine. Create a new layer, draw an outline, and color it. When I was little, I loved this painting because of the lady. Now I have to admit that I love the ermine the most. Because if you saw my dog Chivko, you understood absolutely, right? Add a new layer, choose a little darker color, set multiply, clipping mask, and draw shadows. If shadows are barely visible, duplicate the layer and merge it into one. Then choose the smudge tool and gently smudge the overly sharp edges of the shadows. Do not smudge them all over that the structure remains visible. Add a new layer, set a screen clipping mask, and draw the lights. And again gently smudge the sharp edges. Stand on the layer with the lady's eyes and draw the eyes and nose of the ermine. Go back to the shadow layers, reduce the visibility of the brush, and draw shadows under the eyes. And then merge all the layers together. Go to the line art layer, choose the selection tool and select the area around the necklace. Choose invert selection, go to the layer with the headband and color the necklace. Color the pearls that are empty or erase the color that went over the edge. Coat the hair layer and color the neckline edging. On my picture, the color of the body remained, so I erased the unnecessary part on the layer with the body. Create a new layer below line art and draw details on the chest and sleeves. Go to the layer with the headband and draw the yellow details of the dress. Create a new layer at the very bottom. Choose the darkest brown color and darken it a little more. Paint the background. Add a new layer, set multiply, and add some texture to the background. When you zoom in on the image, you can see that the dark background is now shining through the face, so we need to fix it. Create a new layer and move it below the body layer. Stand on the layer with the body, choose the selection tool and select the area around. Invert the selection, go to the layer below and fill the selection space with white color. Then merge layers together. Create a new layer, underline art, set its blending to linear burn and visibility about 40%. Choose a gray-purple color and draw the darkest shadows. If you liked the video, leave me a comment, and also thank you very much for buying my brushes and sketches. It really motivates me to make more videos. Enjoy the most beautiful day, friends. Bye bye.